Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best non-slip paint is probably one of the most overlooked products when it comes to home improvement and safety. Whether you're looking to refresh your deck, stairs, or any wooden surface, the right non-slip paint can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of non-slip paint for wood, exploring the top products, and helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. MBIGM Pack 24 Non-Slip Stair Treads. These pre-cut stair treads provide extra grip and safety. They feature an 80-grit aluminum oxide traction pad and strong, durable, weatherproof triple-layer glue. The treads are skid-resistant, making them ideal for stairs, skateboards, decks, and other surfaces. They work great on both rough and smooth surfaces. You get 8 pieces of anti-slip traction treads for the price. Enjoy long-lasting outdoor safety with this economical purchase. No more worrying about complicated setups. These pre-cut step treads are ready to use right out of the box. They are made from tough material and can handle sunshine, rain, and snow. We take pride in delivering our products in their best condition. The satisfaction of our customers is our top priority in all that we do. What we like. This product provides extra grip for maximum safety. It features a durable weatherproof glue, ensuring it can withstand various conditions. If you are looking for a quick and easy solution for your outdoor stairs or decks, this is the perfect choice. What people say. They are sticky on the back and you just peel off the backing to stick them on your steps. They do feel this mild grit. The strips look professional with the exact same size, so no cutting is needed. Number 4. TotalBoat TotalTread Non-Skid Deck Paint. Introducing TotalBoat TotalTread, the marine-grade non-skid deck paint. This paint provides a durable, textured surface for secure footing. It's designed to keep you safe on your boat. This polyurethane finish is built to last. It won't fade or peel, and it's easy to clean. Scrubbing won't wear away the finish, making it a great investment. TotalTread is perfect for boat decks, docks, and more. You can use it on cabin stalls, hatches, stairs, and even patios. It provides sure footing wherever you need it. Applying this one-part paint is simple with a brush or roller. It works on fiberglass, wood, and metal surfaces. For greater traction, consider adding a second coat. Choose from a variety of colors to match your boat. It comes in shades like sand beige, Kingston gray, and light gray. You can even tint it with TotalBoat Wet Edge topside paint. What we like. This marine-grade paint offers a comfortable, non-abrasive texture, making it ideal for boat decks. It is also easy to clean, ensuring longevity. If you are looking to revitalize your boat flooring and ensure secure footing, this is the one. What people say. Used the product on some outside stairs I was refurbishing. Good coverage. Worked great. Paint applied well, resulting in non-skid finish that pretty well matched what was on my 95 Hunter Legend. The paint goes on easy and one-coat coverage. Number 3. Juvale Wood Coasters, 3.8 by 3.8 inches, 12-pack. Looking for the perfect base for your Christmas crafts? These blank wood coasters are ideal for creating personalized holiday decorations. They are perfect for festive gatherings and make memorable handmade gifts. Worried about water rings? These drink coasters are designed to protect your tables from moisture. You can enjoy your drinks without worrying about condensation during family dinners and holiday parties. Each coaster comes with adhesive foam dots, ensuring a stable base on any surface. This feature keeps your drinks steady, making them perfect for office use or enhancing your holiday party table decor. With a size of 3.8 by 3.8 inches, these square coasters offer plenty of room for your creativity. It's an excellent canvas for painting or engraving, perfect for personalized gifts. This set includes 12 coasters and 48 adhesive foam dots, offering endless possibilities for creative projects. Use them as a coaster craft set or a handmade stocking stuffer, ideal for the festive season. What we like. These coasters are perfect for crafting and protecting surfaces. They come with adhesive foam dots for a stable base. If you like to personalize your home decor or need a unique gift, consider this. What people say. The paint has excellent non-slip properties, making it ideal for wooden decks and stairs. The paint is durable and weather-resistant, providing long-lasting protection for the wood surface. The paint is easy to apply and dries quickly, saving time and effort during the painting process. Number 2. Dura Grip Anti-Slip Paint. Introducing Dura Grip, a high-performance anti-slip paint. This coating is designed to provide a durable, UV-resistant finish on various surfaces. This paint is perfect for concrete, wood, tile, and metal. It's ideal for floors, decking, ramps, and more. It's easy to maintain and suitable for many areas. Dura Grip is extremely tough and durable. You can use it on steel, fiberglass, aluminum, concrete, asphalt, painted surfaces, and wood decks. It's built to withstand heavy use. Whether indoors or outdoors, commercial or residential, this paint provides a safe surface. You can walk comfortably on it, even with bare feet. Applying Dura Grip is simple with a 3/8-inch nap roller. 1 quart covers up to 75 square feet, and 1 gallon covers 300 square feet. Get yours today. What we like. This paint is UV resistant and barefoot friendly, making it suitable for various environments. It can be applied on multiple surfaces. If you have a deck, ramp, or pool area that needs a durable and safe non-slip coating, it's a great option. What people say. Slip Doctor's Dura Grip, clear, gallon, non-slip paint was easy to apply and has provided a non-skid surface to the outdoor steps and landing during the rainy summer and fall. Bought this as a non-skid surface for my hunting fishing boat. Goes on smoothly and has a great texture. Did not change my camo pattern look and actually made the colors look brighter. The description matched what I was looking for and the product was exactly what I needed and expected. Number 1. Rocfinity 29 PCS Paint Roller Kit. This comprehensive kit from Rocfinity includes everything you need for your painting projects. It has a variety of rollers, brushes, and accessories, making it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional painters. The included 4-foot extension pole allows you to easily reach high walls and ceilings. It's lightweight and sturdy, and the non-slip handle provides better control while you work. The microfiber rollers hold a lot of paint and provide a smooth finish. They are washable and reusable, and the frames are made from premium stainless steel. The kit includes textured trays to evenly distribute paint and prevent drips. The detail brushes are perfect for various painting scenarios, ensuring you get the best results. This kit comes with scrapers, can openers, a paint mixer, and tape for precise work. These accessories are perfect for both DIY projects and professional jobs. What we like. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need for painting, including an adjustable extension pole. It ensures a smooth and effortless painting experience. If you are a DIY enthusiast or a professional painter looking for convenience and quality, it is a great choice. What people say. The paint has excellent coverage. The non-slip properties are very effective, even when the surface is wet. It provides a durable and long-lasting finish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.